Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at the latest true wireless earbud release from Jabra, the Jabra Elite 85T. This is a follow-up to the Elite 75T buds I reviewed at this time last year. The big feature upgrade on these new earbuds is 11-level active noise cancellation, but the story's a little more complicated than that. The design of the Elite 85Ts changes significantly. Now these look an awful lot like the previous generation, but they're slightly larger. This includes 12mm drivers instead of 6mm, and a larger oval-shaped ear tip. Unfortunately, I no longer have the Elite 75Ts here, so I can't show you a side-by-side comparison. But here's some footage I shot last year. These older buds are all black. Now you can see that the ear tips are definitely rounder. Here's the new ones, the Elite 85Ts in comparison. Those ear tips are large and they're oval. Now I found that this change made it a bit harder to get the new earbuds to stay comfortably in place. As you can see, it's not like they're huge, and most people probably wouldn't even notice. But traditionally I have trouble with earbuds, and for me the previous design just worked better. In terms of other changes, the Elite 85Ts get 6 microphones instead of 4. That's part of that active noise cancellation. And in a really big move, this time Jabra went with a semi-open design instead of sealed. That's intended to reduce discomfort when wearing the earbuds, but it means that Jabra had to use a nano coating for water resistance. So the Elite 85Ts have an IPX4 rating, which means they're not as good around water as the previous generation. If you're prone to sweating heavily during exercise, or you regularly wear your earbuds in the rain or snow, you might want to think carefully about these. Now you can see from this blow-up from Jabra just how much technology goes into the Elite 85Ts. Technology isn't limited to the buds themselves. The charge case uses USB-C. But as you can see with the Elite 85T earbuds, Jabra has also embraced wireless charging. The green light shows the charge case itself is now recharging, and that case holds enough power to completely recharge the buds roughly 3 times. Battery life is rated at up to 7 hours with ANC off and up to 5.5 hours with ANC on. In testing, I repeatedly hit those numbers right on, even with the volume at high levels. However, I did find there's a big difference between battery drain on the left and right earbuds. You can see how that looks in this series of screen captures from the Jabra app. Now this is not unusual. In true wireless earbuds, one bud does the heavy lifting by connecting to both the phone and the second bud. But it looks strange when you see it broken out like this, and I could see the potential for people to be confused and perhaps worried that the right bud has a defective battery. Despite the significant difference in drain rates, the actual battery life before one bud shut down lived up to the advertised 5.5 hours with ANC active. Now that active noise cancellation worked quite well for earbuds. I tested them at home in a house with my wife working from home, 3 teenagers with music and game consoles, 2 large dogs, and construction on the street outside. That ANC definitely made a difference, especially for the construction noise. You can see and hear the project outside my office window. Active noise cancellation for the win. Now I also like the hear-through functionality. It uses the microphones so you can hear ambient background noise. That's important with a sealed design. Audio quality was quite good. I did prefer having the ANC on, at least to some degree, as I found this added a real warmth to the tone of music. After listening to music with ANC, without sounded just a little thin and bright in comparison. Of course, the Jabra Sound Plus app is excellent and it lets you adjust the EQ to customize the audio to your personal taste. It even tests your ears and optimizes the audio based on the results as part of the setup. As I said earlier, the generational gap is complicated. The new Jabra Elite 85T earbuds get that 11-level active noise cancellation, but the company actually upgraded the previous generation Elite 75T to ANC using a firmware update. It's not as effective as the extra microphones and custom-made ANC chip in the 85Ts, but it still makes the Elite 75Ts more relevant. So if you're considering a new pair of Jabra Elite True Wireless earbuds, you do have a choice to make. You'll find the Elite 85T, the Elite 75T, and all the current Jabra earbuds at Best Buy, along with true wireless earbuds from all your favorite audio brands. To learn more about my experience with the new Jabra Elite 85T earbuds, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.